Hi, and then boom.
He's like in a sumo wrestler suit.
Hi. Look at mommy.
Your poor little dad. Cameron. Smile for the picture. Sometimes he sneaks down for the half action.
Citizens are very friendly. They go and visit other countries and they help keep Canada nice and safe. And there's really foggy. They still saw some cool stuff on the